It is, and for the first time, we're hearing from the woman who was breeding large snakes in her home. She had so many, she couldn't properly care for them. She spoke at a hearing today over what should be done with those snakes, and Doug Miller was there.
That woman walking in the courtroom is Brittany Barano. She lives in the Heights, in a house that she made into a home for very large snakes.
If you'd raise your right hand to be sworn in.
That is why she appeared before a justice of the peace in a court hearing over the fate of her snakes.
I've been with them for 15 years. They've been all that I've known for quite a while. And they did nothing to me.
Her voice cracked with emotion as she told the justice of the peace she loved the 15 pythons and boa constrictors authorities removed from her house, potentially deadly animals that she's now agreed to turn over to the SPCA.
I love my snakes enough to let them go, and that's all I have to say.
She described one of the animals taken from her home last week as a special needs snake, and she told the judge she hoped it would not be euthanized.
Right now, it isn't entirely clear whether the woman who lives in this little pink house in the Heights will face any criminal charges. It sure sounds like the constable in charge of this investigation sort of feels sorry for her.
Clearly, she's in distress, and we need to do all that we can as law enforcement. I mean, she's actually a good person. She's just overwhelmed by the fact that she doesn't have a job and couldn't care for these animals.
What will eventually happen to the snakes is unclear. After the court hearing, the SPCA would not answer questions about whether some or all of them will be euthanized. The owner of the snakes and a cat seized on the same day left court saying she hopes her animals will find a good home. In downtown Houston, Doug Miller, KHOU 11.